What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I am excited to announce the next two knives I'll be giving away on this channel. The first one here is the USA-made blade exclusive Red G10 Southern Grind Spider Monkey that I reviewed earlier on in this week. If you remember, during that review I mentioned that Scott had actually donated this knife to the channel just as a, hey, thanks for bothering to review it. That was really cool of him. He mentioned, hey, if you want to, you can keep it, or you can do a giveaway or whatever you want. And so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to extend that on to you guys in the form of a giveaway. That's a $200 knife. It's made in the USA. Titanium liners, S35VN. I imagine it's going to make somebody really happy. So thanks again, Scott, for doing that. I'm excited about that one. And then probably to everybody's surprise, I'm actually going to be giving away the knife that I originally planned to give away on this channel and didn't, because Jeff, who, if you've been watching my channel, that should be a familiar name, he said, hey, you know what? I'm going to give you a better knife to give away for your 40 patron incentivized giveaway. And he donated that Slimity Medford Marauder that I just gave away on Saturday. And he said, you can give me the ProTech Mordax in exchange for that. That's what this knife is. It's the drop ProTech Mordax button lock. And then here recently he said, you know what? Why don't you go ahead and give that knife away too? I don't really need that. So thank you, Jeff. That was, again, infinitely, just amazing of you. I mean, this guy, there's no end to this guy's generosity. That's really nice. If you don't follow him on Instagram, you can follow him at GoodNowJeff. If you want to, just go check out my Instagram at metal_complex. He's pretty easy to find. We have lots of conversations on my pictures and things. But anyway, so both of these awesome knives are going to be given away. They are brand new, completely unused. They'll come with their packaging, all their original packaging, blah, blah, blah. We're going to do these exactly the same way that I did my Slimity Medford Marauder. I'm going to basically set a goal for my Patreon, and then at the moment that I hit that goal, I will release a giveaway for each of these knives. So the first goal is going to be 50 patrons, up from my current 40, so that's only 10 patrons from now. I'll be giving away this guy right here. And then the ProTech Mordax, I'll give that one away the moment I hit 60 patrons. So these are only 10 apart. It should be pretty easy to get to from now, but it'll kind of make things fun. And just to remind everybody, it's not going to be just for my patrons. These giveaways will be available to everybody, regardless if you are a patron or just a subscriber or viewer. The reason is because everybody who's interacting with this channel is supporting me, not just my patrons, but my viewers and subscribers as well. To my patrons, I am infinitely appreciative of your support and help. All of that money goes directly back into the channel, pays for things like shipping, back to the generous viewers who, let me review their knives, and the insurance costs associated with covering those shipments, getting them back to them safely. So that's really helpful, and it allows me to continuously give you guys content. So I'm trying to make this come full circle and give back to people. I kind of want that to be a regular thing with my channel. I want that to be a thing that I do, a thing that I'm known for. And I feel like you guys are in support of that, and everything is going smoothly. And so I just want to continue to spread positivity in the knife community in the form of giveaways. So hopefully you guys are really excited about this. If you would like to become a patron and help me reach my goal or my goals, you can follow the link in the description to my Patreon, have a look around, and then you can join any tier. It's not any specific tier. You can even join the $1 tier if you want. So really excited to give these knives away. There will be a video that comes out the moment that I hit each goal. So as long as you are subscribed and you have notifications set to all, you will receive that notification and be ready to go when the giveaway takes place. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for today's little update on my giveaway knives. Please leave a like if you're excited, and have a great day.